What's going on, guys, and welcome to my first video on YouTube. Today I want to do on my YouTube channel a rebuild of a Evo 10. This is a 2008 Evo 10. It's the SSS package, and I did buy it, and it has a burn damage right here. So this whole area got burned, but what I'm thinking to do with this car is just do a fully rebuild, just for the fun of it. It does have 52,000 miles, which is really low for a 2008, but the car used to have a Sidewinder turbo kit right here, but of course the Sidewinder, I'm guessing the manifold was hitting the firewall, which caused all this to burn. But now let's get to the damage of the car. Of course, we can see right here the headlight is gone. I mean, I do like these headlights, but I wish they were the black housing inside. But just because of that, we're gonna go with the V-line headlights, which are really nice. It does have some Nitto tires on it, which they look really nice right here. But I'm not sure what kind of wheel is this. I'm guessing it's a universal because it has a bunch of holes in it. And from the burn damage, the firefighter had to cut the hood, which sucks because they did cut through this fender, and this fender it does look nice, but we have to replace that. It does have a 4-inch intercooler, but I can't really tell what brand is it. It doesn't have a brand on it, but we will be changing this because as you guys can see, firefighter cut through this. But hopefully in the future we're gonna go top mount. This headlight doesn't look like it got damage. Also, this fender has to go because damage right here, and it doesn't look that straight. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see right here, and it got burnt over here. Also have a cracked windshield. So just from this, I mean, you guys can say that this car needs a lot of work. But we're gonna be dropping the engine, and we're gonna be repainting the whole car, engine bay, the outside, the door jambs. We're gonna be going with a different color. So let's walk around this car. From the side, the car doesn't look that bad. I mean, it does have peeling right here, and it does have it on the roof, which that sucks, but the car is gonna be repainted, and I'm guessing going with the black roof will be the best option. The car was taken apart for some reason, and as you guys can see, this car doesn't have a fuel pump. They cut everything out, which sucks, but it's fine. Let's go up to the front. The seats look really nice. I mean, there's no tear or anything on them. It is missing a short shifter, and it does have a short shifter. I mean, sorry guys, it is missing a shifter knob. That was hard to say, but the car is really clean. We are gonna be going with a different taillights because just I don't like those. We're going with V-line taillights. Yeah, there's more clear coat peeling right here on this door and that door. So that's why I decided to just repaint the whole car. It does have really nice black brimbles, which I don't know if I'm a fan of that, but we might have to change it down the future for something else. So the aftermarket stuff on this car, there is the intercooler piping, the front mount, got different clutch master, I don't know what you call that, but slave cylinder, I'm not sure. It does have an aluminum valve cover, and it does have a radiant fuel rail with aeromotive pressure regulator. I put this tape just because it's missing the gauge. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for this build. Hopefully this car comes out really nice. I'm excited to build this car. But hopefully in the next episode you guys see me tear down this car, maybe drop the engine, and I will be repainting the whole car, hopefully. But next episode we'll be dropping the engine for sure. Or maybe just get to work on it, take out the whole front. Alright guys, I'll see you next one. Peace.